growing up, my grandpa was a mechanic and he worked on bikes and cars and everything, and I used to ride growing up, and shoot, the second best thing if you weren't going pro was to be a mechanic, and I always felt I was mechanically inclined, so graduated high school and went to MMI, and ever since then I linked up with Malcolm Stewart. I was with him for 7 years and got a call from Cowie and took a move with him. I grew into his right-hand man. I mean, I think he talks to me a little bit different than he talks to a lot of guys on the team, and we just have that relationship where he could be honest with me and I could be honest with him. I built a good relationship with Brian, and I mean, anything he needs, we would ask him, he would send it, and I mean, just having that relationship build over to this team is, I mean, it's the best tire in the paddock. As you look around, everybody wants to be on a Dunlop.